Hi, Dr. Edward. Hope you're doing good. I thought I would take some time out to show you how our instructional design team goes about creating content. So, I'm going to show you an example for in the leisure industry where we've taken three stages to create the content for a lost and found policy that would be applied to the hotel guest. BSM. We will research and put together the content in a very easy to understand language. I'm just going to show you the example of the lost and found policy, where as you can see, we've made grammatical and formatting corrections. This is at the first stage. We would just show this to you just to sort of get some feedback. The second stage is where you would be a lot more involved, where our designer has actually brought this to life, both visually as well as structurally. As you can see, internally we have reviewed it and you can see feedback on the format itself. After your final overview, we would then code it. So I've gone into this is we're in the midst of the platform right now, and I've gone into the learning component. I've gone into courses, and we're specifically going into the lost and found policy, which is the name of this particular course. And over here, you can see from the text to the visuals, it is actually, once it's coded, it looks very different. Now, our biggest focus here is to make sure that the learner is engaged. To do that, we've added some animation here, and this is how some of the coding comes about, right? In addition to this, we've also got some activities here to make it more interactive, and you would discreetly understand how well the learner has actually understood what has been learned. Now, they could very well use this as motivation to go back to the section, reread, pick up where they've missed out on this piece of information, and then return to the question and try it again. And I'll tell you this, a lot of learners become now a lot more competitive in order to change this 2 out of 10 into 10 out of 10 and go further.